Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AirPods and AirPods Pro not connecting to iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly select AirPods as audio device. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for the update, open settings, and tap on general and tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest iOS version. After updating your iPhone, go back, and the next solution is disable and enable again Bluetooth. For this, open settings, tap on Bluetooth, tap to turn this off and turn on again. So after this, go back. The next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and the next solution is reset all settings. Also for this, open setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset, and tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on the reset all settings button. Go back. So the next solution is reset AirPods. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.